GTV, we've put together the inflation trajectory for Japan. We're halfway there. I think that's what we can safely say. How soon will Japan hit its target? If we look at this is 0.5%. We're half of the way there. Do we need more stimulus from Japan? Because we've got this article this morning. The ex-chief economist says the Bank of Japan is likely to hike rates within a year. Is that even possible, given the underperformance in the inflation story?
Well, it's hard to answer, but I would say one thing is that there is strength in the underlying economy. And the reason I can say that with confidence is that last year was very unusual in that even though the yen went up, the stock market went up too. And if you go back over 25 years, that correlation didn't exist. It was inverse. In other words, the stock market only went up when the yen went down. So the only reason why the stock market could be going up now, if the yen's going up at the same time, is if there's something good happening in the domestic economy, which there is. And I think, ironically, everybody said that Japan was going to get too old too fast, but it's forced them to do a lot of automation and become more productive.
Mark, have you made any changes or recommended any changes to clients when it comes to asset allocation in portfolios? Are you going more defensive in Asia, in China, in some of the emerging markets there?
Actually, we haven't made any change in about 2 months, but we did 2 months ago, 3 months ago, do two things. The first is that we did take profit in some of the growth stocks, the technology stocks, and we moved into value. And the second thing is that we decreased our bond portfolio and put it into money markets. So we feel that it's hard to find value in bonds. They're starting to reprice now, and I think maybe 3 months from now, 6 months from now, there will be more opportunity there. And who knows, so maybe 3 months from now, 6 months from now, there'll be more opportunities in the growth stocks, the technology stocks as well. Maybe they will come down enough that it'll be a good chance to get back into them too.